So we're gonna try out this Morrflate system, see how it works on deflating first, and then we'll use the compressor to inflate. So we got this little piece here, and then two halves. So I'll hook this up to the front of the vehicle. In the front, eventually I'll get used to doing this, but this has got like a little coupler. See if you can see. I push this onto the valve stem and then use that to close it and open, close. And these little pincer, those little prongs there go in and grab onto the valve stem so it locks on. But I'll go set up the other side. Says they're at 36 right now. Let's see if we can. I don't know if you can see that, but see what it's down to now. This is 32. $12.2. All right, you can see here I have it equalized at 11.9. So all four tires at 11.9. That's pretty good. Okay, well, we'll see how we do. Let's Let's see how it does. So I guess it's going to, let me try this. Okay. Set it to 40. Kind of an idea what it's like. Kind of see the setup. Cthulhu. Timmy. Like Baby Yoda. More bear. Mohawk 4x4 Adventures. Meadow Cloak. ORW. Black Lives Matter. The nice thing is this is just pretty much start it up and forget about it. And we'll see. So I set it for 40, so let's see if it shuts off at 40, how it does, because I mean, that's about where I like to run. I try to eke out as much mileage as I can, and I also try to like get a nice wear on the tires. So I think if I'm at 40 for a good chunk of the time, for as much as I'm, you know, around 12, that's a good compromise. I'll go check now. It says it's at 36 psi. That's pretty quick. Pretty happy. Can't wait to find out how long it took. 12 psi to 40 psi. So that's nice. That's like 5 minutes and 18 seconds approximately for the fill up from 12 psi to 40 psi. So that's a huge win. I'm pretty happy with that. Can't wait to use it on the trail. Alright, so it is stopped and it is at 40, and here's an interesting thing is so it stops right at 40, which is nice. And I have the Jeep. I don't know if anybody has this or not, but I've got a taser. So there's a little setup so that it's going at 2,000 RPM for like winch. So I thought, well, since this draws so much amps, I should try it with this too. But you can see, so my TPMS sensors have it registering at 40, 41, 41, 41. So that's pretty good. Good enough for me.